12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11.
Imagine standing on Earth in 1969 and watching humans travel to another world for the first time. For thousands of years, the moon was something people could only look at. But in 1969, 3 astronauts climbed into a spacecraft, left Earth and made history. In the 1960s, the world was in the middle of the space race. Two superpowers, the United States and the Soviet Union, were competing to prove who had the most advanced technology in space. After the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1 in 1957, the pressure was on. The United States wanted to achieve something even bigger. So the American Space Agency, NASA, created a bold mission: send humans to the moon. 3 astronauts were chosen from the historic mission, Apollo 11. The crew included Commander Neil Armstrong, Lunar Module Pilot Buzz Aldrin, and Command Module Pilot Michael Collins. Each of them had trained for years for this moment, but no one had ever tried landing humans on the moon before. On July 16, 1969, a massive rocket called the Saturn V launched from Kennedy Space Center. Standing 110 meters tall, it remains one of the most powerful rockets ever built. Millions of people watched the launch on television. Slowly the rocket lifted off the ground, carrying humanity's hopes with it. After traveling nearly 400,000 kilometers through space, the astronauts reached the moon. Then came the most dangerous part of the mission. Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin entered the lunar landers called the Apollo Lunar Module Eagle. Meanwhile, Michael Collins stayed in orbit around the moon. On July 20, 1969, the lunar module slowly descended toward the moon's surface. With only seconds of fuel left, the lander finally touched down, and then Neil Armstrong stepped outside. As millions of people watching live around the world, he said the famous words: "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." For about 2.5 hours, the astronauts explored the lunar surface. They collected moon rocks, took photographs, and placed scientific instruments. They even planted the flag of the United States on the moon. It was the first time humans had ever walked on another world. After completing their mission, the astronauts returned to their spacecraft and began the journey home. On July 24, 1969, the crew safely splashed down in the Pacific Ocean. Humanity had officially reached the moon. The first moon landing changed history forever. It proved that humans could travel beyond Earth and explore worlds we once thought were impossible to reach. Follow Learnify for more tech and history informations.